Well, it got exciting all of a sudden. ATC, I'm down at 6,000, and ATC cleared me to 6,000. Now, they're routing me around some big-ass thunderstorms. I'm assuming that those thunderstorms are moving away from the airport that I'm headed to, but you never know. I'm going to just continue on this. They gave me a heading to fly to route me around this. It's fun, though. It's raining like the dickens, but I'm at 6,000. It's nice and warm, so no ice. If it was doing this and I was icing, I'd be scared shitless. But no, this is just convective stuff. They're taking me around. I'm going to come up to a yellow cell here, so this ought to be pretty exciting here. Just a second. We'll see. We shall see, baby. But yeah, I'm just popping right at the very bottom of this stuff. Really, it's not. It's probably not exciting to watch on video, but my God, being here is pretty cool. But the radar, the next rad, I would take it off, and I'm concentrating too much. I got to keep the airplane level. But what is that down there? Oh, I see a bunch of boats. That's cool. They're just gonna take me on this heading. Yep, there it is. That,
508, descend 4,000.
That is a big one there. Holy shnikes. Sure. Ooh, doggy.
Bravo Alpha, fly heading 090 and descend 5,000.
Was that for 08 Alpha?
08 Alpha, affirmative, heading 090, 5,000.
Roger, leaving 6,000 for 5,000, 090 on the heading, and I can see that yellow cell there. It was pretty strong rain there.
Off your left side, about 10 miles or so.
I'm actually in one right here.
Oh, I see, okay. Yeah, the strongest one was up north here, but check.
I'm just glad we're not getting ice. All right, we're down 090, going down to 5. I'll probably pop out here soon. This is just a strong rain cell. We're gonna bring the power back a little. Holy shnikes. Woo, doggy. Man. Woo. Oh, it's exciting, baby. I wish the camera was showing the cockpit a little bit more, but you can see how dark it is. 500 to go. 090. Yeah. Oh my God. Yep. Okay, 400 to go. Let's get that approach pulled up. Bellingham. Okay, 300 to go. Details, procedure. We want to do the 16 ILS.
508, descend 3,000.